Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how you can embed files in Notion using the 2025 guide. First off, let's open up Notion. Once you're in, locate the page where you want to embed your file. This could be a document, spreadsheet, PDF, whatever you like. The reason we start with this is because Notion works on a page-based system, so where you embed your file is crucial. Next up, click on the body of your page where you'd like to embed the file. A plus button will appear, and that's what you're going to click next. This is where the magic happens, as this button is basically your portal to embedding a whole range of content into your Notion page. Now, a menu will pop up with different options. What you want to do is scroll down and find the Embed option. Click on it, and a new window will open. This helps us because it's the gateway to actually embedding your file. In the new window, you'll see a field where you can paste the link of the file you want to embed. So, head over to where your file is stored, be it Google Drive, Dropbox, or any other cloud storage, and copy the shareable link. Now, head back to Notion and paste it in the field. The reason we do this is because Notion doesn't host files itself, but uses links to display them within your page. Once you've pasted the link, click on the Embed Link button. Give it a moment, and voila! Your file is embedded in your Notion page. Let me explain why this matters. Embedding files this way makes them easily accessible, and you can view them right there without having to navigate away from your page. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a file in Notion. Remember, the key is understanding Notion's page-based system and leveraging the embed function. It's as simple as that. Thanks for joining in today, and see you in the next tutorial.